Hey guys, it's Amber. So I forgot to film an intro for this look, so I'm coming at you with this voiceover. I've created this Rainbow Cut Crease tribute tutorial, so without further ado, let's just jump right in. So I'm first going to start by filling in my eyebrows. I'm using this dark brown brow powder by Rimmel. So now that my brows are filled in, I'm just going to be taking some concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and a nice flat brush, and I'm just going to be carving out my brows a little bit. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush to blend that concealer out. And I'm just going to set that with some translucent powder. I'm now just taking my NYX The Dream Catcher palette in Golden Horizons, and I'm going to be taking this white shade down here and popping that all over my eyes. So I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, as always. And I'm going to be taking this pale yellow shade up here. I'm going to start by building this yellow up in the inner portion of my eyes. Now that I have that yellow on, I'm going to be taking this more vibrant yellow down here in the palette. This is just going over the top of the yellow that we've just put down to make it more vibrant. And now that we have that yellow on, I'm going to take the even deeper yellow shade, which is up the top right here, and just deepen up my crease a little bit. Now that I have that yellow on and it's looking nice and vibrant, I'm going to be taking this pink shade up the top here, really nice, really bright. Hopefully it's going to look really good. I'm popping this in the middle of my eye, blending it into the yellow. Now that we have the pink on, I'm going to go back in with some yellow to blend the two colours together a bit better. I'm going to be using this yellow shade that we used previously. Now that those two colours are blended together and looking good, and we have that really nice orange fade and blend, I'm really happy with it, I'm going to go in with this light blue colour right here. So what I'm doing with this blue shade is blending it into the pink and blending it outwards to create a winged-like shape. Then we're going to cut the crease, so it doesn't matter that it is messy now, but as long as it blends into a really nice purple colour. Now that that blue is on, I'm going to go back in with that pink shade we used previously and blend the two colours together to create a nice fade. Now that I have all the colours on and they're all blended out really nicely, I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer again and cut my crease because it's looking a little crazy and a little messy right now. Now that I have that crease cut out and I like the shape, I'm going to take my Dream Catcher palette again. I'm going to take the white yet again to set that down and make it really bright. Now that I have that set, it's time to go ahead and do the other eye. I'm going to jump off camera and do that one so I can do it nice and quick, and then come back and we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so the creases have both been cut out. They're not perfect. They both look a little different to each other, but you know what? It doesn't have to be perfect. It's the best I can do. I'm still really happy with how it looks. So the next step and the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take this Models Prefer eyeliner in the shade Lime Tart, and I'm basically going to be doing a winged liner with this. Okay, so now that our eyes are done and our liner is on and it's all looking nice, it's time for our base. So I'm going to start by applying my Benefit Professional Primer. And now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the colour Snow. Now I'm going to be taking my Fit Me Maybelline Concealer. This is just going underneath my eyes to brighten them up, and on any spots I feel like I need to conceal. I just went ahead and quickly set my face with my Rimmel Stay Matte and my powder puff. You've seen that a million times, so it's okay to skip it for once. I'm sure that's fine with you. So now I'm going to go on with contouring, bronzing, blush, highlight, all the other jazz. So I'm going to be taking my Benefit Blush Bar. This has been my go-to favourite. The Hoola shade in here I've just been finding is perfect tone for my skin, so I'm going to be taking Hoola and just warming up my face a little because I feel a little power right now. I'm just going to take a bit of my Ben Nye translucent powder in Fair and bake underneath my contour. I'm now going to be taking my BH Cosmetics Forever Nude Sculpt and Glow palette. I'm going to be taking this shade here, Soft Light. It's like a banana powder. I'm just going to be popping a little bit of that under my eyes to brighten them up a little bit because I feel like my dark under eye bags are just peeping through today, and that's not what I want. So just taking a little bit of this and just popping it underneath my eyes in like a triangular shape like I would with my concealer. Now I'm going to be putting on some blush. I'm taking my Benefit Blush Bar again, and I'm going to be mixing Dandelion with a bit of Gold Rush. So this is Dandelion and the middle one is Gold Rush. And then just applying that to the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm just going to wipe away this bake. I'm first just curling my lashes as always because I have nice long lashes but they're straight, so you can't really see them if I don't curl them. And then I'm going to be taking my sample size Benefit They're Real mascara. I really love this stuff. Now with a look like this, I would normally put false lashes on. However, I don't trust myself enough today to do that. I feel like I'm just going to mess it up. But normally, yeah, I would put them on. But today is just the day for mascara and mascara only. But I do feel like this look would definitely benefit from lashes. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to highlighter. I'm going to be taking my Chi Chi Celestial Glow Illuminating palette. I haven't used this in a little while, but I want to use it again today. So I think I'm going to take a mixture of Moon and Uranus, which is the one below it. I'm going to start on my nose. Whoa, that's really pretty. Right, so I'm going to go above my brows. A little bit on my forehead, not too much. I don't want my forehead to look too shiny. On my cupid's bow. A little bit on my chin. Again, don't want my chin to look too shiny. And then obviously cheekbones and then my inner corners. Oh wow, that looks so nice on the cheekbones. Now I'm going to do my inner corner highlight. I've got a little synthetic brush and I'm just going to spray it with a bit of setting spray. And then go in with the Moon highlighter. And I'm going to pop that on my inner corners. And now it is time for lips. I'm just going to do a nude lip because there's a lot going on up here. I'm first just going to line my lips using the Gigi Hadid and Maybelline New York lip pencil in the shade McCall. I don't really want my lips super matte, so I'm going to be taking this Masquerade lip gloss in the shade 87. It has some gold reflex in it, which I think would be really, really pretty. And I'm just using a little brush to apply this. And now to finish off the look, a little bit of setting spray. And this, guys, is the completed look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell icon beside the subscribe button. That notifies you when I upload a new video. If you don't click that bell icon, you won't get notified when I upload a new video and it won't be in your subscription box. So please click that bell. All my social media links will be in the description box below and on the end card. So if you'd like to go follow me over there, please feel free to and check out my makeup. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!